Hey guys, I'm back. Welcome back to Nay's World. So yes, I'm back and it's official now. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe because you're not gonna want to miss what's to come. Now, as you saw, if you read the title of this video, you already know what I'm about to get into. Now, as you can see, my skin is doing pretty well, if you ask. We're going to be using this amazing shit right here. Excuse my language. It's lit. So this is the Indian Healing Clay. It's the world's most powerful facial and deep pore cleansing. It's 100% natural calcium bentonite clay. First of all, let me tell you how I got my hands on this stuff. I was staying at my mom's for a little season and I ran into this clay. So I'm like, what is it? What is it for? I looked it up, found out that it was the best face mask or deep cleansing, that you could do. It's not only for your face. It's for facials, acne, body wraps, clay baths, foot soaks. This shit is the bomb. Point blank, period. The clay can be used with either apple cider or with water. Today I'm going to be using it with water. I just want to, show you guys the effect that it has and how amazing it works. So I'm going to go ahead and mix it up. So yeah, this is the amount that I have in it looks like. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my face. If you want to be fancy, you can get you a little paintbrush or some gloves and do it like that. Me, I go straight in with these hands, okay? I'm just gonna put it all over everywhere. So there we have it. Now I'm just gonna let this dry completely and I'll be back when it dries. Now what I've decided is because I have some more of the clay left in the bowl, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on other places. Because they say this stuff is really good for your skin. You put it in baths, you put it everywhere else. And it's a detox. So like, why not? Like I'm putting on the mud at the Dead Sea. So yeah, I'm gonna let this dry and your girl is gonna be back. So I'm waiting for it to dry and it is like getting super stiff. I don't think I'll be able to move my neck or shoulders in about 5 more minutes. So I'm back. I feel like I'm paralyzed. I could barely move anything. I'm so happy I didn't put a lot here because I probably wouldn't even be able to talk to y'all no more. But yeah, it's practically dry. I'm gonna wait about a couple more minutes. I did move a little closer so you guys just can see how this drying is. Dry. I almost feel like I have a lazy eye. Okay, so now that it's dry, I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off. I'm gonna jump in the shower and I will be back. So as you can see, I am fresh out the shower and my skin is fleeky. It's still a little bit dry, but I'm gonna, you know, put on a little oil and stuff like that, but yeah. So that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you thought about the video, about the mask, or any questions that you may have. You can comment. I'm right here with you.